Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
Hello and thank you for contacting Marshall Skoda Nottingham. Here's a short video walk around of our Skoda Octavia estate. This is the SE technology trim, finished in Black Magic Pearl Effect metallic paint. The SE technology comes with both front and rear parking sensors. It also comes with adaptive cruise control and forward collision warning as well, with autonomous emergency braking. Inside the car we've got heated electrically adjustable mirrors, automatic headlights and wipers, multifunction steering wheel and a full touchscreen infotainment display with satellite navigation system and also connectivity to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto via Skoda's SmartLink functionality. For more information on this car, please don't hesitate to contact us on 0115 920 2355. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.